Take a screenshot of this vocabulary and we move to more common questions in speaking part 1. Let's talk about your daily routine. Are you a morning person?
Yes, I like mornings. I wake up early and I eat breakfast. I am happy in the morning.
Not really. I tend to struggle with getting out of bed, so I often hit the snooze button. However, I've noticed I'm much more productive if I start early.
What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I go to the kitchen, I drink tea. Then I look at my phone to see my work.
The first thing I do is head to the kitchen. I focus on fueling up with a cup of tea. While I wait, I check my to-do list to prepare for the workday chaos.
Why is a morning routine important?
It is good because I know what to do. It makes my day better and I am not tired.
I believe it's vital because it provides a clear mind. When you have a routine, you don't waste mental energy. It really sets a positive tone for the entire day.
Take a screenshot of this vocabulary and we move to more common questions in speaking part 1. Do you like to get up early? Yes, I like it. I wake up at 6 a.m. It is a good time, and I can do many things before work.
Actually, I'd say I'm a bit of a night owl, so rising early is a struggle. However, I've been trying to kickstart my day sooner to feel more productive.
Has your routine changed since you were a child?
Yes, it changed. Before, my mom woke me up for school. Now, I wake up by myself for my job.
Enormously. Back then, my schedule was entirely dictated by school. These days, I have much more autonomy, though work commitments mean I can rarely sleep in.
Is your morning routine the same every day? Most days are the same. I wake up, eat, and go to work. But on weekends, I sleep more.
For the most part, yes. As I thrive on consistency. On weekends, I tend to unwind and let my routine go out the window to properly recharge.
What would you like to change about your morning? I want to exercise more. I want to go to the gym before I start my work.
I'd definitely cut down on my screen time. I have a bad habit of scrolling through social media, which isn't the best way to find a clear mind.
If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to join Speaking Journey.